Hey there, welcome to today's workout session. We will be doing cardio workout HIIT. Yes, no equipment needed. All you have to do is get a space, get on your comfy shoes or whatever you're comfortable in. We will take series of moves about 40 seconds each, so do it at your pace, either at beginner level or at intermediate level or even at the pro level. So do it at your pace just as you like. We'll start with some warm-up just to get our body moving before we get into the main workout. If you're ready, let's get into it. Step to the left, to the right. Increase your pace if you have the energy, otherwise just go slowly. We're taking this for 45 seconds. Now move those hands. Come on. We take the next move now. Let's go. Make sure your body is turning. And yes, next move. You punch harder as much as you can. Come on. Our next move, we're going this way. Come on. Crunch it. This targets the abs, the tummy area. So when you're lifting up your legs, try to take a deep breath and crunch your tummy as much as you can. Lift up your legs to your face. Take our next move. Get this way, forward and back. Then we turn to the other side. Put your left leg out there and then you come in. 5 more seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Back to spot. This next move, we're going to go high feet. Come on. For the tummy, you have to crunch in when lifting up your feet. Crunching as you're lifting up your feet. Like this. In. Come on. Lift as much as you can and as high as you can. 10 more seconds to go. 3, 2, 1. Back to spot. This next move, we go 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Five, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Back to spot. The next move, we're gonna bend a little bit, and then we take the walk back. So let's go. So this next move, we're gonna be punching, bending at the same time. Come on. Punch as hard as you can. Then we go in 3, 2, 1, on the spot. This next move, we go down, we stand up, and then we stretch. Come on. Up, stretch. Down, up, stretch. Three, 2, 1, back on the spot. This next move, we go legs out, we go half with the legs and then like that. If you want, you can go faster. At the beginner level, I think this is okay. In 3, 2, 1, back on the spot. This next move is quite easy, but it depends on your intensity. Come on. Let's go. Stretch to the front, to the leg, to the front, to the leg. Come on. We go faster. And 3, 2, 1, back on the spot. This next move, we tap here, and then we come. We tap here, and then we come. So, and then in 3, 2, 1, back on the spot. We go. And 3, 2, 1, back on the spot. This next move, we go down, in, up, in, up. So let's go. And 3, 2, 1, back on the spot. This next move is the jumping jack. So let's go. You can modify this like this if you want for a beginner, or if you have the energy, come on, let's go. Come on. Almost there. And 3, 2, 1, back on the spot. Well done, you did it. Yes, let's do this again next week, Saturday. Same time, same channel. Keep keeping fit until then. Thank you, take care of yourself. Bye-bye.